The pilots made a desperate attempt to transmit a distress call, but it was already too late. The aircraft plummeted from the sky like a falling leaf. Laden with over 100 tons of jet fuel, igniting a colossal explosion upon impact. And this is the full story of what happened on that fateful flight. June 12, 2025. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad, India. International commercial flight, Air India 171, was scheduled to depart from Ahmedabad en route to London Gatwick, United Kingdom. The assigned aircraft was a Boeing 7878 Dreamliner, an 11-year-old wide-body